So if you want to go around and change out the field settings right here, then what you can do is you can go around and right click on a particular column and then access out the field settings, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto field settings right here, then you can see that right now you see the field name right here, just like this. But if you want to display notes, you can just go around and select it and press OK. And now you see the notes table field right here. Let me just go around onto the field settings right here, and you can access out different sections, as you can see right here. For example, you want to go around and display work right there, then it displays out the work hours. So you can just go around onto the field settings right here and choose the data that you want to display. So I'm just going to go around over here and then go back to name itself right here and press OK right here. Let me right click and go to field settings, and here you can see that you can add in a title as well. For example, I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube tasks right here, just like this, and press OK, and the title of this particular field changes out, as you can see right here. You can just go around and align out the title to the left side or center it out right here so that it centers it out. And you can go to field settings, and then you can also go around and right align as well. So the data is all aligned to the left, but you can align it to the right as well and press OK, and everything gets aligned out to the right now. Let me just right click and go to the field settings once more, and over here you can also set out the width value. Let's say, for example, I'm going to set the width value to 60, and once that is done, you can press OK, and the width value is 60. If I were to go around and resize these fields right here, you can see that the text, the TutorTube task, actually wraps around. If you don't want that to happen, then you can just go around and uncheck the header text wrapping right here, press OK, and that is not wrapped around anymore. And that is how you can go around and work around with the table field settings inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.